Have you ever dreamt of winning the lottery? Of those life-changing numbers flashing across the screen, transforming your reality in an instant? It's a dream many of us share, a beacon of hope for a brighter future. But what if there was a way to tilt the odds in your favor, to harness the power of your mind and attract that elusive jackpot? Welcome to the world of manifestation, where your thoughts, feelings, and actions can pave the way to financial abundance. Now, let's be clear, manifestation isn't a magic spell or a guaranteed path to riches. Winning the lottery still involves chance and probability. But what manifestation can do is create a powerful shift in your mindset, aligning your energy with the frequency of abundance and opening yourself up to the possibilities that lie ahead. It's about cultivating a positive outlook, believing in your dreams, and taking inspired action towards your goals. The first step in manifesting a lottery win is to set clear intentions. What specific amount do you want to win? How will it change your life? Visualize yourself holding that winning ticket, feeling the rush of excitement and gratitude. Create a vision board with images and affirmations that represent your financial goals, your intentions in a journal, reminding yourself daily of what you're working towards. But setting intentions is just the beginning. You also need to cultivate a positive mindset. Start paying attention to your self-talk. Are you constantly telling yourself you're not lucky or that winning the lottery is impossible? These limiting beliefs can sabotage your efforts before you even begin. Replace them with empowering affirmations. I am worthy of abundance. I attract wealth and prosperity into my life. I am a winner. Gratitude is another key ingredient in the manifestation process. Take time each day to appreciate the blessings you already have, no matter how small. This shifts your focus from lack to abundance, creating a positive vibrational frequency that attracts more of what you're grateful for. Remember, the universe responds to your energy, so radiate positivity and watch the magic unfold. But manifestation isn't just about sitting back and waiting for the universe to deliver. It's also about taking inspired action. Buy lottery tickets regularly, research different strategies, and consider joining a lottery pool. Trust your intuition and follow any hunches you have about specific numbers or games. The key is to feel aligned with your actions, taking steps that resonate with your intentions and make you feel excited about the possibilities. Overcoming limiting beliefs is often the biggest hurdle in the manifestation process. We all carry baggage from past experiences and societal conditioning that can create doubts and fears. It's important to recognize these beliefs and challenge their validity. Are they based on facts or simply assumptions? Are they serving you or holding you back? Reframe those negative thoughts into positive affirmations, reminding yourself that you are capable, deserving, and worthy of abundance. Manifestation is a journey, not a destination. It takes time, patience, and unwavering belief. There will be setbacks and challenges along the way, but don't let them discourage you. Stay persistent, keep taking inspired action, and trust that the universe is working in your favor. Celebrate every small win, every step forward, and keep your eyes on the prize. Learn to detach from the outcome. While it's important to have clear intentions and take action, obsessing over the specific manifestation can create resistance and block the flow of abundance. Focus on the feeling of already having what you desire, the joy, gratitude, and excitement. Trust that the universe will deliver in its own way and time. Let go of control and surrender to the process. In the grand scheme of things, manifesting a lottery jackpot win is just one aspect of the manifestation journey. It's about discovering the power of your mind, cultivating a positive mindset, and creating a life filled with abundance in all areas. It's about recognizing your worth, stepping into your power, and living a life aligned with your true desires. So, are you ready to start on this transformative journey? Are you ready to harness the power of your mind and attract the financial abundance you deserve? The lottery jackpot may be the goal, but the real treasure lies in the personal growth and self-discovery that awaits you along the way. The universe is conspiring in your favor. Believe in yourself, trust the process, and watch the magic unfold. Now that we've laid the groundwork for understanding manifestation and cultivating a positive mindset, let's dive deeper into the specifics of manifesting a lottery jackpot win. Clarity is key when it comes to setting your intentions. It's not enough to simply say, I want to win the lottery. You need to be specific about the amount you desire and the positive impact it will have on your life. Visualize yourself holding that winning ticket, feeling the surge of excitement and relief. Imagine the possibilities that open up before you. Will you pay off debts, buy a dream home, travel the world, or start a charitable foundation? Imagine the smiles on your loved ones' faces as you share your good fortune. The more vivid and detailed your visualization, the stronger the signal you send to the universe. Don't underestimate the power of a vision board. Gather images and affirmations that represent your financial goals and create a visual reminder of what you're working towards. Place it somewhere you'll see it every day, allowing those images to seep into your subconscious and fuel your motivation. Write down your intentions in a journal, expressing your gratitude for the abundance that is already on its way. The act of writing solidifies your desires and reinforces your commitment to manifesting them. The universe responds to your energy, so it's crucial to approach the manifestation process with a positive and optimistic outlook. Cultivate a mindset of abundance, believing that there is more than enough wealth and prosperity to go around. Release any feelings of scarcity or unworthiness and replace them with affirmations of self-love and confidence. Affirmations are powerful tools for reprogramming your subconscious mind. Repeat positive statements about wealth, abundance, and lottery winnings, such as, "I am a magnet for financial abundance. I am open and receptive to receiving the lottery jackpot. I am grateful for the wealth that flows into my life effortlessly." The more you repeat these affirmations, the more deeply they embed themselves in your belief system, paving the way for manifestation. Gratitude is another cornerstone of a positive mindset. Take time each day to appreciate the blessings you already have in your life. It could be your health, your family, your friends, or even the simple pleasures like a beautiful sunset or a delicious meal. By focusing on what you're grateful for, you shift your vibrational frequency to one of abundance, attracting more of those positive experiences into your life. But manifestation isn't just about thoughts and feelings. It also requires taking inspired action towards your goals. Don't just sit back and wait for the winning numbers to magically appear. Buy lottery tickets regularly, explore different strategies, and consider joining a lottery pool to increase your chances. Trust your intuition and follow any hunches you have about specific numbers or games. The key is to feel aligned with your actions, taking steps that resonate with your intentions and make you feel excited about the possibilities. The universe rewards action. By taking inspired steps towards your goals, you demonstrate your commitment and create momentum for manifestation. Don't be afraid to step outside your comfort zone and try new things. Attend a lottery seminar, read books about winning strategies, or connect with others who have manifested their financial dreams. The more proactive you are, the more opportunities you open yourself up to. While you take action, pay attention to any signs or synchronicities that may appear. These could be repeating numbers, chance encounters, or unexpected opportunities that seem to align with your intentions. Trust your gut and follow these leads even if they seem unconventional or illogical. The universe often communicates in mysterious ways, and these synchronicities may be guiding you towards your manifestation. But remember, manifestation is a dance between action and surrender. While it's important to take inspired steps towards your goals, it's equally important to release attachment to the outcome. Don't get caught up in obsessing over when or how your manifestation will occur. Trust that the universe has a plan and that everything is unfolding in perfect timing. Focus on the feeling of already having what you desire. Cultivate the emotions of joy, gratitude, and excitement as if you've already won the lottery. This sends a powerful signal to the universe that you're ready to receive your manifestation. Release any doubts or fears and surrender to the flow of abundance. One of the biggest challenges in the manifestation process is overcoming limiting beliefs. We all have them, those nagging voices in our heads that tell us we're not good enough, lucky enough, or deserving of abundance. These beliefs are often deeply ingrained, stemming from past experiences, societal conditioning, or even family dynamics. It's important to recognize and challenge these limiting beliefs. Start by becoming aware of your self-talk. What are the recurring thoughts and patterns that pop up when you think about money, wealth, or winning the lottery? Are they positive and empowering, or are they filled with doubt and negativity? Once you identify these beliefs, question their validity. Are they based on facts or simply assumptions? Are they serving you or holding you back? Reframe those negative thoughts into positive affirmations. Instead of saying, "I'm not lucky enough to win the lottery," try saying, "I am open and receptive to receiving unexpected blessings." Instead of saying, "I'll never be wealthy," try saying, "I am creating a life of financial abundance." The more you repeat these positive affirmations, the more you'll start to believe them, and the more your reality will shift to reflect those beliefs. Your thoughts create your reality. If you're constantly dwelling on lack and scarcity, that's what you'll attract into your life. But if you focus on abundance, gratitude, and the belief that you are worthy of receiving, you'll open yourself up to the flow of prosperity. It's about rewiring your brain, shifting your perspective, and creating a new narrative for yourself. Another important aspect of manifestation is patience. We live in a fast-paced world where instant gratification is often the norm. But manifestation doesn't work that way. It takes time, persistence, and unwavering belief. Don't get discouraged if you don't see immediate results. Trust that the universe is working behind the scenes, aligning the circumstances and opportunities for your manifestation to come to fruition. Think of it like planting a seed. You wouldn't expect a tree to grow overnight, would you? You nurture the seed, water it, and give it sunlight, trusting that it will eventually sprout and blossom into a magnificent creation. Manifestation is similar. You plant the seeds of your intentions, nurture them with positive thoughts and actions, and trust that they will bloom in due time. During this waiting period, it's important to maintain a positive mindset and continue taking inspired action. Don't let doubts or fears creep in. Stay focused on your vision, visualize your success, and keep taking steps towards your goals. Celebrate every small win along the way, recognizing that they are signs that you're on the right track. The universe rewards persistence. The more consistent you are in your efforts, the stronger your manifestation becomes. Don't give up on your dreams, even if they seem far away or unattainable. Keep believing, keep taking action, and trust that the universe is conspiring in your favor. While you continue on your manifestation journey, it's important to learn the art of detachment. While it's crucial to have clear intentions and take inspired action, it's equally important to release attachment to the specific outcome. Don't get caught up in obsessing over when or how your manifestation will occur. Trust that the universe has a plan and that everything is unfolding in perfect timing. Focus on the feeling of already having what you desire. Cultivate the emotions of joy, gratitude, and excitement as if you've already won the lottery. This sends a powerful signal to the universe that you're ready to receive your manifestation. Release any doubts or fears and surrender to the flow of abundance. When you detach from the outcome, you allow the universe to work its magic without resistance. You create space for unexpected blessings and opportunities to flow into your life. The universe may have something even better in store for you than you could have ever imagined. So, let go of control, surrender to the process, and trust that your manifestation is on its way. One of the most beautiful aspects of the manifestation journey is celebrating small wins. These are the little victories, the synchronicities, and the unexpected blessings that appear along the way. They may seem insignificant at first, but they are powerful indicators that you're on the right track. Perhaps you find a coin on the ground, receive an unexpected gift, or get a raise at work. These small wins are not just random occurrences, they are signs that your manifestation is gaining momentum. They are the universe's way of saying, keep going, you're doing great. Take the time to acknowledge and appreciate these small wins. Express gratitude for them, no matter how insignificant they may seem. This reinforces the positive energy you're putting out into the universe and attracts even more abundance into your life. Manifestation is a journey, not a destination. It's about enjoying the process, trusting the timing, and celebrating every step along the way. The more you appreciate the small wins, the more you'll realize that abundance is all around you, and the closer you'll get to manifesting your ultimate goal. Manifestation is a powerful tool that can transform your life in countless ways. While winning the lottery may be the goal, the true wealth lies in the personal growth and self-discovery that occur along the journey. While you align your thoughts, feelings, and actions with your desires, you'll unlock a world of possibilities and create a life filled with abundance, joy, and fulfillment. So believe in yourself, trust the process, and keep your eyes on the prize. The universe is conspiring in your favor, and your manifestation is on its way. The journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Take that step today and start manifesting the life of your dreams. While you go through the exciting journey of manifestation, it's essential to remember that the true power lies not in the external outcome, but in the internal transformation that takes place along the way. Winning the lottery may be the ultimate goal, but the real treasure is the personal growth, self-discovery, and unwavering belief in your own potential that you cultivate throughout the process. Manifestation is not just about attracting material possessions, it's about aligning your entire being with the frequency of abundance. It's about recognizing your worth, stepping into your power, and creating a life that reflects your deepest desires. It's about living in a state of gratitude, joy, and unwavering faith in the universe's infinite possibilities. So as you continue on your path, remember to embrace the journey, not just the destination. Celebrate every step forward, every shift in perspective, every moment of clarity and self-belief. The more you focus on the internal transformation, the more effortlessly the external manifestations will flow into your life. The universe is always responding to your energy. So radiate positivity, cultivate gratitude, and take inspired action towards your goals. Trust that the lottery jackpot, or something even better, is on its way to you. And most importantly, enjoy the ride. The journey of manifestation is a beautiful one, filled with endless possibilities and profound personal growth. Manifesting a lottery jackpot win is not just about luck or chance. It's about harnessing the power of your mind, aligning your energy with the frequency of abundance, and taking inspired action towards your goals. It's about cultivating a positive mindset, overcoming limiting beliefs, and trusting in the universe's infinite wisdom. The true wealth lies not in the external possessions, but in the internal transformation that takes place along the way. So accept the journey, celebrate the small wins, and never give up on your dreams. The universe is conspiring in your favor and your manifestation is on its way. As you step into this new chapter of your life, remember the power of your thoughts, feelings, and actions. You are the creator of your own reality and the possibilities are endless. So go forth with confidence, embrace the abundance that surrounds you, and manifest the life of your dreams. The lottery jackpot may be the catalyst, but the true reward is the empowered, abundant, and joyful individual you become along the way. Trust the process, believe in yourself, and watch the magic unfold. The universe is waiting to shower you with its blessings.